Qunol Brain Health Review. Does it actually work? Or is it just expensive placebo pills? So what's inside Qunol Brain Health? Qunol Brain Health Memory Plus contains two main ingredients, magnesium L-threonate, also known as Mactine, at 1000 milligrams, and cytidine, branded as Cognizin, at 500 milligrams. Both are marketed as clinically tested for cognitive support. Let's talk about magnesium L-threonate first. This is actually interesting because most magnesium supplements don't cross into the brain effectively. Research shows that magnesium L-threonate has better brain bioavailability compared to other forms of magnesium. Studies have found it can improve cognitive function, and there's evidence it helps with sleep quality and overall brain health. The second ingredient, cytidine, has also been researched for cognitive support, particularly for attention and focus. So does it actually work? Here's the honest truth. The individual ingredients do have scientific backing. These aren't random herbs thrown together. They're actually studied compounds. However, here's what you need to know. First, individual results vary significantly. Some users report noticeable improvements in focus and memory within a few weeks, while others notice minimal to no effort. Second, brain supplements work best as part of a healthy lifestyle, not just a magic pill. If you're sleep deprived, stressed, or eating poorly, no supplement will fix that. Third, these ingredients are studied, but that doesn't mean this exact formula in this exact dosage has been tested together. The research is on the individual components. So what about its side effects? Qunol Brain Health is caffeine and stimulant free, which is a plus. Most users tolerate it well, though some report mild digestive issues or headaches when first starting. Always consult your doctor before starting any supplement, especially if you're on medication. Now let's be real, this isn't cheap. You're paying premium prices, and you need to take it consistently for at least 4 to 6 weeks to potentially see results. That's a significant investment. Remember, the supplement industry isn't strictly regulated by the FDA like prescription medicines. Companies can make claims based on ingredient studies, but that doesn't guarantee their specific products will deliver those results for you. The final verdict, brain health isn't a scam. It contains legitimate research ingredients. Does it work? It might help support brain health for some, but it's not a miracle cure. If you have the budget and want to try it, manage your expectations and give it at least a month. But don't neglect the basics. Sleep, health, exercise, stress management, and good nutrition do more for your brain than any pill. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.